Welcome to PhD in Science. Today's topic will be the nitrogen cycle. In this video, this rather complex cycle will be broken down to 5 simple steps. Feel free to skip to the part that you are interested in and pause or rewind to the step that you didn't quite catch. If you don't understand something, feel free to comment below and I will be more than happy to answer. Without further ado, let's get started. The nitrogen cycle consists of a series of processes by which nitrogen is converted into different forms and is circulated in nature, for example, through the atmosphere, soil, etc. This circulation is aided by living organisms. Although 78% by volume of the atmosphere is nitrogen gas, this abundant reservoir exists in a form unusable by most organisms as the chemical structure, so the covalent bonding, especially the triple bonds, is hard to break. Through several reactions, nitrogen is made available to plants, which in turn ultimately sustain all animal life due to its presence in amino acids as amine groups. In nitrogen fixation, free nitrogen reacts chemically with other elements to form ammonia. Involved in this process is the protein complex nitrogenase. In order, however, for the plant to take up ammonium, ammonia needs to be fixated by nitrogen-fixing bacteria, such as the rhizobium bacteria, which is a mutualistic bacterium, and the cyanobacteria, which is non-symbiotic, located in the root nodules of commonly leguminous plants. Ammonia reacts with water and through the reactions with the bacteria forms ammonium. Of course, plants can take up infinite amounts of ammonium, which is the reason why they need to turn ammonium into nitrites and nitrates. The procedure by which plants absorb the usable forms of nitrogen is known as assimilation. The majority of nitrogen is absorbed as nitrate, but some is also absorbed as ammonium through well-developed root systems. Transporter proteins in these systems actively deliver the required nitrogen molecules to the roots. Concurrently, nitrate is quickly converted to amino acids or amides. So, for example, also organic nitrogen, which diffuse up into the plant via the roots. Let's move on to ammonification, also known as putrefaction. Ammonification is carried out by decomposers such as bacteria or fungi, which utilize specialized extracellular enzymes to break down decaying organic matter, for example, feces or detritus. These contain amine or amide groups, and these are turned into ammonia. In nitrification, ammonia is converted to nitrites and then nitrates. This conversion process is a two-step oxidation reaction, which necessitates a large amount of oxygen. To begin with, nitrosomes oxidize ammonium to insoluble nitrite. In addition to that, nitrobacter, so nitrospina, bacteria convert nitrite to soluble nitrate that can be taken up into the roots of the plant via active transport. Lastly, the nitrogen cycle consists of a process termed denitrification. Denitrification is the conversion of nitrate to nitrate oxide and finally nitrogen gas, which removes bioavailable nitrogen from the environment and returns it to the atmosphere. Denitrification produces dinitrogen gas as the final product. Bacillus, Paracosis, and Pseudomonas species are among the most common denitrifying bacteria. That was it. I hope you have learned something new and will appreciate if you can use these videos to support your learning path. I do also have an Instagram and TikTok account where I will post short, concise clips of each topic. These are linked down in the info box below the video.